Hi, Chef Anthony here, and I'm gonna go over convection steam, what it is and how we're gonna do it. So let's open the oven door here. See the convection fan dead and back. That is our convection heating source, and along with our steam oven, here's our reservoir with the water. We're gonna bring these two cooking methods together to make an amazing product. So everybody's gonna say, why do I need convection steam? So convection is in a lot of the majority of the ovens we have here, but the convection really, the fan flies and really makes the cooking go edge to edge, kind of even heat cooking. And the steam adds moisture to the oven cavity. So we're actually kind of indents, we're cooking it with some moisture, but at a high temp. So when we're just cooking in steam, it's 212 degrees. Now when we're cooking in convection steam, we raise the internal cavity of the oven. We're bringing it up to 350, 375, even 400 degrees. For us, what does that mean? It means we're getting that great moisture content with the steam, but with the convection, we're getting everything's brown. We're getting our proteins brown. We're getting our chicken glazed very nice. We're getting salmon glazed very nice. We're gonna do some simple cinnamon rolls here today, but you'll see the end result of the cinnamon rolls. They're gonna be brown, but the amount of moisture that retains in the dough leaves them puffy and amazing. So let's preheat our oven to 375 to make these cinnamon rolls that are gonna be unbelievable. All right, we're gonna go right to manual. All right, we're gonna go to convection, bake, and steam. This is the one we're focusing on today. Tell us to fill our water tank. We already did, hit okay. 355 is the suggested temperature. We're gonna raise this oven cavity to 375. We're gonna cook 20 minutes. Our steam level is gonna be high. We can adjust the level to medium or low depending on what we're doing. Today we're going for full steam. Okay, oven closed, start, preheat now. The oven cavity is gonna fill up the temperature. The convection fan is gonna run. We're gonna create that moisture in here, and that convection fan is gonna fly through. So we're gonna see a rapid preheat time with the convection. Okay, our oven's preheated. We're gonna fire our cinnamon rolls right in. And you can see just a little bit of moisture on the oven door, but the cavity's heated up to 375 degrees. This is probably gonna be about 8 minutes. So we're gonna watch these closely and we'll see the difference. We're gonna look for puffy cinnamon rolls with a great convection from left to right, with some browning that we're at a high temperature with the convection. So steam and the convection are best friends for this oven. All right, our cinnamon rolls are finished. So check that amount of steam that comes out of here. But let's talk about this. This is convection cooking at its finest. Look at the browning from edge to edge to edge. Beautiful cinnamon rolls, perfect on the bottom. But here's what we want to show you. They're real hot, but look at that. Fluffy on the inside. That's the moisture of the steam. That's really the secret sauce right there. Look how nice that is. It's done on a solid pan, whereas in the steam we would use a perforated pan, but here we're using the solid pan. Look how nice. That's convection cooking and steam. Perfectly cooked. A little bit of moisture on the bottom. This is a great bake for a few minutes in your convection steam oven. These are the results you get with everyday cooking. These are just normal pop-top cinnamon rolls that you get an extraordinary product and a finished end result. So enjoy that, but there's just a ton of other things that we could do in convection steam. Now that we're raising the internal temperature, you can do teriyaki glazed salmon, you can do shrimp and grits. We could really make any protein, a nice pork loin, a good sized steak, some nice hamburgers. Think about anything you want to put in your oven, but you're afraid to dry it out. A roasted chicken, small roasted chickens, things like that. Everybody's always very, very scared to put some things in a dry oven because it'll dry out. So think about saving yourself with the moisture of steam and really aiding yourself in cooking to really make an outstanding product and be the chef of your dreams.